Hello there, welcome to an episode where we will look at how to select one column of data without spreadsheets. So I think this will just make more sense if we dive right in. So I'm just going to pull up some data here, okay, and it could just be information in a table. And so the idea here is that let's say you just wanted to isolate one column. It's kind of hard to do. You could paste it into Excel or Google Sheets, but that might take an extra step. So this is just a quick tip. What we're going to do, we're going to select the information, we're going to copy, Command C, and we're going to go over to Text Edit. Text Edit is built into the Mac. Look in Applications, or you can Command Space to pull up your Spotlight search. And I want you to change it to, normally it's rich text, meaning you can format. We're going to change it to plain text, and we are going to paste. Now, when you paste it in, depending on how many columns there are, and how much data there is, you might have to sort of adjust things to be able to see everything. So let's say this was the widest I can make my window. So I could select all, Command A, and then Command minus to decrease. All right, that's kind of small. So just for your ease of view, I'm gonna maximize the window here. I'm gonna make my text just a little bit smaller. All right, so now you can see, and I'll screen zoom here. All right. We have the information we want. Now, depending on what you want, you may need to edit it a bit more. And again, if you're going to end up using this in a spreadsheet, you might as well just do that. But this is just sort of maybe somebody's given you a table of information, but you want to only select one column. So let's say it was the nickname here. So what we can do is we can add a tab. All right. And in this case, because certain names are a bit more, we can add an extra tab here. That sort of clears everything out. And then normally when you click and drag, you've got to select everything. But what you can do is you can hold the Alt key on your keyboard. It'll go from arrow, or I guess cursor, to crosshairs. Click and drag, and it will only select whatever you highlight. So imagine a rectangle that forms and it highlights whatever you want. So I can then copy. And then let me zoom out here. I've got another text pad here. Let's just say you wanted to put this into an email, like a bunch of headings or a Google Doc. Paste, and there you go. And then likewise, any of these columns, all right, we can go in, hold the Alt key, and extract that data. So hopefully something that is of use to you. Again, if you're going to use a spreadsheet anyways, that's its own workflow. But if you have the table of data already and you want to pick out a particular column, this trick will help you out. Thanks for listening. See you next time.